Good morning, children. God bless you all. Children, this is the GK Reader book of class 2. Okay? And this is page 5. The name of the chapter is Beautiful Birds. So today I'm going to start with page 5, chapter 1 of your GK Reader book, Beautiful Birds. Okay? I am sending you the video of explanation. Just go through the video and try to understand about the birds. Now see, I'm going to read this to you. How much do you know about your feathered friends? Who are our feathered friends? The birds have feathers, no? Put the correct letters in the boxes to match the birds to the facts about them. Can you see the colorful pictures here, children? These are the pictures of different birds. I'm going to read out them. Woodpecker, hummingbird, dove, eagle, crane, parrot, owl, duck. Okay, so these are the few pictures of beautiful birds. Now we are going to read about some facts. Okay, now A is, this bird is active at night. Now out of these, no, you can see the picture here. Which bird is active at night? It is an owl. Okay, so write down A here. The answer is A. Write down A here. The answer to this. This bird is active at night. The answer is A. Owl. Okay. B. Webbed feet help this water bird to glide through water. Now, which is the bird that swims in water? The answer to this is duck. So, write down B in this small box. Okay, write down B. This is the answer to this question. Webbed feet help this water bird to glide through water. Moving on to the next, number C. This small beautiful bird can fly backward and upside down. No, so the answer to this question is hummingbird. So write down C here. This is a beautiful small bird that fly backward and upside down. Okay, children. So the answer to this is hummingbird. Moving on to the next, D. This one is a fast flyer and has a very good eyesight. Now, which is that bird who is a fast flyer and has a very good eyesight? Okay, the answer to this is eagle. Eagle has got a very good eyesight. So, we will write down here D in this column. Okay, just write down D in this column. Okay, children. Now, we will move further. E. A bird with green feathers and a red beak. This is very simple, children. You know the answer. A bird with green feathers and a red beak is our very own parrot. So we will write down E here in this column. This is E. This is the answer to this is, with green feathers and red beak, is parrot. Okay. F. It makes holes on tree trunks with its strong beak to make its nest. Now, which is this bird which makes holes on tree trunks with its strong beak to make its nest? The answer is here, woodpecker. So we will write F here in this column. Okay, the answer to this is woodpecker. See the woodpecker, no, it's making a big hole on the tree trunk with its strong beak. See? Now, next, G is large, long-legged and long-necked bird. It's a long-legged and long-necked bird. It is the crane. Okay, so you will write down here G. Write down G here. The answer to this is crane. And the last one is for H, smaller long-tailed member of the pigeon family. Now this bird is smaller and is the member of the pigeon family. So the answer to this is dove. Okay, so we will write down H here. So we have completed this exercise, children. You have to go through this and you have to read it aloud. And for this note today, I am sending you the assignment also for this. You have to make a GK notebook of 4 lines. It has to be of 150 pages, children. Okay, you have to make one GK notebook, the thick one of 150 pages, 4 lines notebook, and you have to start with page 5, chapter 1, beautiful birds. You have to put down the date here. See, I will send you this work on your eCare Pro app. You can download it from there and write down as it is. See, I have written in cursive writing, so you also have to write down like this only. You have to put the question in Roman number 1, who am I? Okay, you have to identify the name of the bird. I'm writing down a statement and you have to identify the word. So you have to put on the question, who am I? Number 1 is, this bird is active at night, and the answer to this question is owl. Number 2 is, this small bird can fly backward, and the answer is hummingbird. Okay, children, you have to learn the answers. Number 3 is, a bird with green feathers and red beak. This is parrot. Okay. See, I have used different color pencils to mark the answers. You can also do the same. You can use different color pencils to mark the answer. But the writing should be neat. Okay. To write down very neatly. Number 4 is, it makes holes on tree trunks to make it nest. Now, who is this bird? Woodpecker. The answer is woodpecker. Moving on to the next is number 5, a white bird. Who is the member of the pigeon family? Dove. Okay. Number 6, a bird which has a very good eyesight. Eagle. Number 7, a bird with webbed feet that swims in water. Duck. Okay, children. So these are the 7 things which I have written. Who am I? You have to identify the name of the birds. Now, number 2 question is, answer the following. I'm only giving you one question at present. Okay, we will do only one question in this chapter. Question 1, you have to name 5 birds having beautiful feathers. Only you have to name them. Okay, starting with the capital letter, you have to write down 5 names. Dove, parrot, then a hummingbird, duck, and owl. So these are the 5 birds names. You have to write down very neatly, and you have to write down the note also in your notebook. Okay, read page 5. This is your page 5 which you need to go through, see the pictures, and just try to read out these statements, these facts, and identify which bird it is. Okay, children, so this was your first chapter given on page 5 of your GK reader book. Please watch the video. Okay, children, and study well and stay safe. Thank you, children.